I try to get an idea of what story I want to tell first of all, and then see what shots I can get, how I can put things into perspective, like finding different angles. And then, of course, depending what my subject is, get as many shots as you can. I'm a double major in English writing and film studies. Coming out of high school, I was just interested in cameras and films and stories, screenwriting. I started helping backstage my sophomore year of high school. The theater director was also my piano teacher, so she kind of enlisted me, and I just really enjoy building things. I also helped my dad build a lot of things since when I was young. With both filmmaking and theater, there is a big part of collaboration that is required to have a successful outcome. Everyone behind the scenes, they need to work together along with the actors to make sure everything's in its right place and everything can run as smoothly as possible to create the most smoothest, most successful performance that we can. And it all ties in together, cast and crew, of course the orchestra and the pit, it all goes into a production play. Everyone is vital to having a great performance. One piece of advice I would give to first years or incoming students would just to be find your passion. And there are a lot of opportunities here on campus that allow you to do that. I guess I would consider myself to be a storyteller. I do hope to tell great narratives, whether they be fiction, nonfiction, or just, entertain an audience. So I really do enjoy telling stories.